Yo, what's good, guys? In this video I'm actually going to be showing you a very quick tutorial on how to connect your HMF uh or your HFM rather you know, account to your MT5. And it is pretty much simple, but for those who don't know how to do that, this video is going to be, walking you through. First off, when you log into, you know your dashboard, you'll be having this is what your dashboard is. Looks like your dashboard is actually going to be showing you the cascade of accounts in which you have. And as you can see, this is actually a sent account. For some of you who don't understand what a sent account is, you could check a tutorial video I did on this particular sent account, so that you learn more about what a sent account really is. Now, when we talk about a sent account, it is actually um, a trading account in which helps beginners to manage their funds, manage their money. Take for example, um most most people use demo accounts, but one thing with demo accounts that I don't really encourage is that you can become much more profitable. You will not be able to measure how well you're doing when you're making use of a demo account, because your emotion is locked. Your emotion is not you know together with your trading experience and all of that. So it is more important that you make use of a cent account, which is also a real account. You can actually cash out from there. And a cent account, whatever it is your deposits, they multiply it by 100. Since they are dealing with cents, of course it is going to still be in dollar when it comes to your whatever trading platform you're using together. So that is pretty much on that. So pretty much, as you can see, I clicked on trade, as you can see right here, trade on this my particular cent account. Yes, trade, and it popped out all of this. So you're just getting your server and getting your um MT5 and your ID basically. So that's what you just need in this particular um account of yours to be able to connect your MT5 to it. So what I'm going to do now is to open my MT5, of which I've done that on my mobile phone, and I'm going to be imputing this information. So I'll be putting in these credentials and details. So I have right here my ID, and then I also have my server. So I'm doing that real quick. So please bear with me because I'm doing that on my mobile phone. So immediately I'm through with that. Yes, this is it. Okay, so the next thing you're actually going to be looking at is the password. And in this case, HFM didn't really, indicate a place for password right here in the course of this displaying this credential. So basically, what you need to do is to log in with your original account password. That's what you use on your MetaTrader 5. So you put in these credentials, this your server, as you can see right there, and then your ID, and then the password you'll be using would be your original password for your account. And once you do that, the account is actually going to be opening for you real quick, and then you'll be logged on your MetaTrader 5. So I believe this probably has helped someone. If you're new here, do what to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you would be notified whenever it is we drop another video to help you in your entire trading experience. Don't forget, if you want to be part of Discord groups, the links are right in the description to help your entire trading experience. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay safe.